fx is equal to sin x plus cos x, and interval is given between 0 to 2 pi. We have to do the discussion between 0 to 2 pi, where the function is increasing, where the function is decreasing. Again, I told you, you differentiate and try to bring this in a single angle, either a sine or a cos, then it will be easier to solve. So first we'll take the derivative f dash x. Sin x derivative is simply cos x minus of sine of x. And now we want this to be a single term. So for that, what we do here, I'll multiply it by root 2 and divide it by root 2. Root 2 multiply and root 2 divide. And one more thing now, this can be created as sine formula also and cos formula also. But I prefer there must be plus sign in between. If you put it that, then the easier to plot the curve. Minus में आपको उल्टा जाना पड़ेगा, so that's why we prefer that it should be always a plus sign in between. So whenever you want plus, it should be in cos formula, because we have done cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B is cos A plus B. So that's why we should go for it. So I write cos pi by 4 cos of x minus sin pi by 4 into sin of x. And now this is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. What formula says? Cos A plus B. So I got it cos x plus pi by 4. So the angle come out to be x plus pi by 4. Just like in the previous one it was 4x, previous one 3x, now it will be having x plus pi by 4. So we should check where this interval goes. So we start with this. We have x is between 0 to 2 pi. This is given in the question. Then we consider x plus pi by 4. So this implies x plus pi by 4, and when I take, it will come between pi by 4 to 2 pi plus pi by 4. That means, just check here. The angle starts from pi by 4. Here we have pi by 4. Starts from pi by 4, goes this way. Here it will be 2 pi, and then 2 pi plus pi by 4. So x plus pi by 4 is starting from pi by 4, and then it goes to 2 pi plus pi by 4. This is our f dash x we have. And it is a cos number. If it is a cos number, cos will be plus from where? Always we start with pi by 4. So यहाँ से start किया तो ये वाला part plus. Cos will be negative in this part. Cos will be negative in this part. Cos will be plus in this part, and cos will be plus in this part. So first we'll think about the plus part. So we'll say when x plus pi by 4. This is the part we have taken for x plus pi by 4. Where it is start? Pi by 4 to pi by 2 first. Or where the second part is x plus pi by 4 plus, that is 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi यहाँ आ गया, 2 pi plus pi by 4 यहाँ आ गया. So it will come out to be greater than 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi plus pi by 4. These are the two intervals we have. One is from pi by 4 to pi by 2. Another we have 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi plus pi by 4. In this complete interval, what you have, root 2 cos x plus pi by 4 is a positive number. Cos we have marked already, it is a positive number. If it is a positive number, means we should say f dash x is coming greater than 0. And if f dash x is greater than 0, therefore what I should say, fx is increasing on. Where x will go now? X belongs to. When you think about x, I should calculate x now. It is x plus pi by 4, so pi by 4 should be subtracted back now. So when you subtract it, pi by 4 subtract किया तो ये तो 0 आ गया, ये x हो ही चुका है, ये pi by 2 minus pi by 4, so it will come out to be pi by 4. Union. Second part now. If x plus pi by 4 is here, so pi by 4 if I subtract, so 3 pi by 2 minus pi by 4 when I take, it will come out to be 6 minus 1, that is 5 pi by 4. And here it is left 2 pi. So therefore the function is increasing on x belongs to 0 to pi by 4 union pi by 4 to 2 pi. This is the first part we have. Now we go for second part where it is negative now. Negative is only this much. So when x plus pi by 4 is from pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. When we have x plus pi by 4 is between pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. Then what I get here in this case again root 2 cos x plus pi by 4 comes out to be what? Negative. It is coming negative means I should say f dash x is coming negative. And if f dash x is negative means fx is decreasing on x belongs to. Please find out x here. Again we subtract pi by 4. So when you subtract pi by 4, पहला part आ गया pi by 4. ये आपका 3 pi by 2 minus pi by 4 is 5 pi by 4. So fx is decreasing from pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. So this way you will be having this question. This question you got in board exam twice and it's an NCERT problem. Similar question we have one more that also got 2 times in the exam. In that case, slight change we made. Fx is equal to sin x minus cos x this time. And where x is again between 0 to 2 pi. My question is find out where this function is increasing, where this function is decreasing. Again the same procedure we should follow. First derivative, convert into a single angle and then we will proceed. So first we go for f dash x. Derivative of sin x will be what? Cos x plus of sin x. Then root 2 multiply and root 2 divide. Then we write this as root 2. And this time it is a plus sign in between, so better will be sine formula will convert. We write this as sine pi by 4 cos x plus cos pi by 4 sine of x. And now when you solve it, it will come out to be root 2 sine of x plus pi by 4. This is your f dash x. Now what are the informations given in the question? We have, where is x? X is between 0 to 2 pi. But we are concerned about x plus pi by 4, so add pi by 4 in all. X plus pi by 4 goes between pi by 4 and 2 pi plus pi by 4. So again the coordinates must be decided. 0, here it is pi by 2 pi 3 pi by 2, this is 2 pi. Start is at pi by 4. Pi by 4 onward, here it goes 2 pi and then 2 pi plus pi by 4. Okay, and now we are concerned with sign. Where sign is plus, just take care, start from here. Sign is plus here. Here also it is plus. Here it come out to be minus. Here it is minus, and here it come out to be plus. So again we start with the intervals. First we'll take with plus. So start with pi by 4. Pi by 4 to pi. And then it will go from 2 pi to 2 pi plus pi by 4. So we write when x plus pi by 4 is from pi by 4 to pi, or x plus pi by 4 is from 2 pi to 2 pi plus pi by 4. This quantity has to be positive, so root 2 sine x plus pi by 4 comes out to be positive. And if it is positive, we should have f dash x is coming greater than 0. This also says f dash x is coming greater than 0. And if f dash x is greater than 0, therefore what I should say, fx is increasing on x belongs to. Now we should find out x here. When you take x means pi by 4 to be subtracted. So first part is 0. Second is pi minus pi by 4, so it will be 3 pi by 4. Union. Now this is 2 pi, so 2 pi minus pi by 4. It will be 7 pi by 4. 2, this will be 2 pi. So fx is increasing on x belongs to 0 to 3 pi by 4, union 7 pi by 4 to 2 pi. Now we go for second case when it is minus. Minus it will be from pi to 2 pi. So we start with the second part. When x plus pi by 4 is from pi to 2 pi. Then what you will have, root 2 sine of x plus pi by 4 is coming negative. And if it is negative, I should say f dash x is coming negative. And therefore what I should say, fx is decreasing on, just check here, decreasing on x is there. X अगर आपके पास है तो pi by 4 to be subtracted, तो ये क्या आएगा 3 pi by 4. And this is come out to be 2 pi minus pi by 4, it is 7 pi by 4. So fx is decreasing on 3 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4. That is the result we have, decreasing, this is increasing. So these are the two important questions you should know. Next question, write down please. Find the interval. Find the interval in which the function fx is equal to 4 sin x minus 2x minus x cos x divided by 2 plus cos of x, where x is between 0 and 2 pi is increasing or decreasing. Find the interval where this function is increasing, where this function is decreasing. 4 sin x minus 2x minus x cos x by 2 plus cos x. This is the function we have. And interval is 0 to 2 pi. Find out where this function is increasing, where this function is decreasing. Please try it. Now, whenever you start derivative, this is a slight problem in this question, that derivative, you should keep in mind how to do it. If you go by division rule, it's a long process. It's better you should readjust this term, then it will be much clearer. 4 sin x, in these two I'll take minus x common, left is 2 plus cos x, whole divided by 2 plus cos x. And now when you solve it, it will come 4 sin x by 2 plus cos x, and next part will be minus of x. So now it is a much simpler form we got. So fx is coming 4 sin x by 2 plus cos x minus x. If you do now, its derivative will be much easier for you. So now we go for f dash x. This will go by division rule. Two plus cos x whole square, then 2 plus cos x remain as it is into 4 sin x का क्या हो जाएगा 4 cos x minus, फिर 4 sin x remain as it is, and then 2 plus cos x will be simply minus of sin x, and then it is minus 1 here.